The thyroid is the largest endocrine gland. Generally, it is called as the big brother of the endocrine system. Thyroid gland is present on the in neck region. Generally, the thyroid is present on the tracheal region above the below the larynx. Generally, the thyroid measures about 25 grams. 3 million thyroid follicles are seen. The thyroid follicles develops a protein called thyroglobulin. It is a glycoprotein. Thyroid gland, which is the only gland that stores its secretory products in a large quantity. Here you can see the general organization of thyroid. Thyroid is present around the trachea, below the larynx or voice box. It is a butterfly-like structure. This butterfly-like structure has two lobes, the right lobe and left lobe. These two lobes are interconnected by means of a bridge-like structure called isthmus. In the thyroid itself, there are four patch-like structures also seen. Such structures are called parathyroid gland. Now you can see the different pictures of the thyroid gland. This thyroid gland is present on the tracheal region, below the larynx. Generally, the thyroid is having there is a thyroid is releases three types of hormones that is called TTC. TTC means thyroxine, triiodothyronine, as well as thyrocalcitonin. Here you can see the general organization of thyroid gland. Thyroid gland, generally the hypothalamus, will release a hormone called the thyroid releasing hormone. This thyroid releasing hormone will stimulate the pituitary gland. This pituitary gland will release a hormone. Pituitary is rightly called as the master gland of the endocrine system. This thyroid gland will release a hormone called thyroid stimulating hormone. This thyroid stimulating hormone will activate the thyroid gland. This thyroid gland having the thyroglobulin. This thyroglobulin is derived from tyrosine, an amino acid. This thyroglobulin produces three types of hormones. One is thyroxine hormone or T4, triiodothyronine hormone or T3, and thyrocalcitonin. These are the three important hormones produced by the thyroid. That's why it is nicknamed as TTC. Here TTC means thyroxine hormone. It contains four iodine molecules, whereas the triiodothyronine hormone has T3. T3 means it has three iodine molecules, whereas the calcitonin, it is responsible for the calcium and phosphorus metabolism in the body. This is the general organization of thyroid. Now you can see one more picture. Here also the hypothalamus, it is rightly called as the brain of the brain. This the hypothalamus will release the thyroid stimulating hormone. This thyroid releasing hormone is able to activate the pituitary, that is the anterior part of the pituitary. This anterior part of the pituitary will be activated by TRH, that is thyroid releasing hormone, will activate the thyroid stimulating hormone from the anterior pituitary. This anterior pituitary will release the thyroid stimulating hormone. This thyroid stimulating hormone will stimulate the thyroid gland, and thereby thyroid hormones are released. These thyroid hormones are three types. One is thyroxine, triiodothyronine, and calcitonin. Whenever there is excess of thyroid hormone is released into the bloodstream, here what happens means these thyroid hormones, whenever there is a released in a excess quantity, it can diminishes the activity of thyroid releasing hormone in the hypothalamus, as well as thyroid stimulating hormone in the anterior pituitary. That's why there is a negative feedback. This is the positive feedback. The previous one is the positive feedback. This is the negative feedback. In negative feedback, the hormone is not released. In positive feedback, there is a hormone will be released. This is the general organization. Now you can see the structure of thyroid. Thyroid is rightly called as the big brother of the endocrine system. Thyroid is the largest endocrine gland. It is a butterfly-shaped gland located in front of the neck, below the larynx or voice box. It is two-lobed structure connected by a bridge-like structure called isthmus. Thyroid is made up of thyroid follicles developed from tyrosine, an amino acid, can secrete thyroglobulins. These thyroid hormone are produced by two sets of cells. They are follicular cells and parafollicular cells. The follicular cells will produce T4 and T3 hormones, that is thyroxine and triiodothyronine hormones, whereas parafollicular cells produce thyrocalcitonin. Here T4 means tetraiodothyronine. It contains 4 iodine molecules. T3 contains 3 iodine molecules, whereas calcitonin. The thyroid hormones are produced from the tyrosine and stored in the thyroglobulin. The main functions, when you see the main functions of the thyroid gland, thyroxine can regulate the BMR. BMR is nothing but basal metabolic rate in the body. It can initiate the cellular respiration, thereby it produces ATP. ATP is rightly called as the cellular currency. It can initiate the physical, mental, and sexual development. It can maintain homeothermy. Homeothermy means the maintenance of constant temperature in warm-blooded animals, in vertebrates. It can regulate calcium and phosphate metabolism. It can initiate protein as well as carbohydrate synthesis. It can initiate metamorphosis in tadpole of frog. It can initiate the actions of neurotransmitters, adrenaline and noradrenaline. The generally, what are the main malfunctions of thyroid gland? When you see, there are two malfunctions. Whenever there is a less amount of the thyroid gland is released, such a condition what you call as hypothyroidism. If excess of thyroid gland is released, that is the excess of thyroid gland is released, it is more than the enough, that leads to hyperthyroidism. Hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. In hypothyroidism, there is a deficiency of thyroid gland. The decline of thyroid hormone causes two disorders. They are cretinism in children, and it causes physical and mental retardation in children. Clinical disorders are a dry skin, thick tongue, neonatal jaundice, that is in the embryo itself, it causes disease, and lethargy, respiratory ailments, and constipation. Myxoedema in adults. It is also leads to the thyroid deficiency. The thyroid deficiency in adults will lead to myxoedema in adults. It is characterized by edema. Edema is nothing but the accumulation of interstitial fluids in the body. Thereby, the body appears to a puffed bun-like structure or puffed body. It shows hypothermia. Hypothermia is nothing but the lower the temperature. It does not maintain constant temperature. It can have the BP and cardiac output will be very low. And the one more, the deficiency of iodine will cause a simple goiter. This causes the iodine deficiency will cause us the simple goiter. The iodine deficiency leads to goiter. It is also called as simple goiter or Adam's apple. It shows thyroid gland enlargement. Here you can see the beautiful picture of Adam's apple. Due to the deficiency of iodine, the thyroid gland does not work properly. Thereby, it causes a simple goiter. That means the bulging of the apple-like structure around the neck. That is called Adam's apple. This is also called simple goiter. This is mainly due to the iodine deficiency in dietary requirements. Generally, this type of disorder is in a hilly region where drinking water does not contain the iodine. It is seen, this Adam's apple is seen around the neck, and the hypothyroidism. Also, hyperthyroidism means if the excess of thyroid gland is released, it causes the hyperthyroidism. One of the disorders of hyperthyroidism is Graves' disease. It is mainly due to hyperactivity. That means excess of thyroid glands released by the thyroid gland. The symptoms include the bulging of eyeballs, increase the BMR, that is basal metabolic rate, increase of blood pressure and cardiac output. Hashimoto disorder. This is also an autoimmune disorder. This autoimmune disorder is mainly due to the immune thyroiditis due to age factor or injury to thyroid glands. Leads to hyposecretion of thyroxine. This hyposecretion leads to formation of antibodies. These antibodies is able to destroy the thyroid gland. This is nothing but the suicide of the thyroid gland. Hashimoto disorder, it is a autoimmune thyroiditis due to the age factor or injury to thyroid leads to the hyposecretion of thyroxine. If hyposecretion of thyroxine will causes the secretion and formation of antibodies, these antibodies is able to destroy their own thyroid gland. This is nothing but Hashimoto disorder is nothing but the suicide of the thyroid gland. This is the gist about the thyroid gland. For watching this video, I am very thankful to you.